In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a new user in your GoDaddy account. First, open your browser, go to godaddy.com and click sign in at the top right. In the drop down, you'll see the option to create an account. Click that. Here, you can sign up using your email, Google or Facebook account. If you choose email, just enter your address and create a strong password using letters, numbers and special characters. Then click Continue. GoDaddy may ask you to verify your email or confirm with your chosen sign-in method. Complete the verification and that's it. You successfully created a new user. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Once your account is active, keep your login details safe for easy access. And remember, if you run into issues, GoDaddy support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.